Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries of mobile technology with its flagship handsets. And the rumor mill is buzzing with anticipation for their next possible masterpiece, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We are hearing interesting rumors about this next premium powerhouse. From innovative AI capabilities to pioneering camera technology, the S25 Ultra is expected to be the next big thing in the flagship category. In this video, we'll look at the most compelling speculations about this highly awaited device with a possible release timeline. So, let's begin. The upcoming S25 Ultra is sparking intrigue with potential design enhancements. Leaked renders hint at a move towards a more angular profile with flat sides and rounded corners. The iconic camera setup is expected to persist, though there might be some texture modifications. In terms of display, the S25 Ultra might have a slightly larger 6.86-inch screen. The device could exceed the S24 Ultra's impressive 2600 nits peak brightness. Interestingly, the S25 Ultra is rumored to be the thinnest Ultra device since the Note 20 Ultra, measuring just 8.4 mm thick. This slimmer profile, combined with a wider display and skinnier bezels, would enhance the premium look. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have some very remarkable specs, including some major improvements. The latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU may be the powerhouse of the device. It can reach speeds of up to 4.3 GHz, which is an impressive boost over its predecessor. Faster UFS 4.1 storage may be complemented with this processor to improve overall performance and enable advanced capabilities like direct 4K video recording to external devices. RAM capacity is also expected to increase to 16 GB, up from the current 12 GB, which would greatly benefit multitasking and AI-intensive tasks. The Galaxy Ultra series is heavily known for its exceptional camera quality, and the S25 Ultra looks to continue this legacy with targeted improvements. The impressive 200-megapixel main sensor is expected to remain, maintaining its prowess in capturing amazing details. The most significant change appears to be in the ultra-wide camera, with a rumored upgrade to a 50-megapixel sensor. This new lens, featuring a brighter f1.9 aperture, promises enhanced detail in macro shots and improved low-light performance. It might even enable 8K video recording from the ultra-wide lens. The telephoto setup is likely to retain its dual lens configuration, with the 3x10 megapixel lens possibly receiving a new 1.3-inch isocell sensor. The 5x 50 megapixel periscope zoom is expected to remain unchanged. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to retain the robust 5000 battery of its predecessor. While the capacity may remain unchanged, improvements in GPU efficiency could lead to even better battery performance. The device is likely to maintain support for 45W wired charging. However, the introduction of the powerful Snapdragon chipset could mitigate some of the efficiency advantages. Despite these considerations, the S25 Ultra should still deliver enough battery life. Samsung is expected to introduce more sophisticated AI capabilities, including improved image processing to rival features like the Pixel 8's ability to sharpen old, out-of-focus shots. A notable advancement could be the integration of generative AI into Samsung's virtual assistant, Bixby. The S25 Ultra might also introduce new AI features exclusive to its hardware capabilities, setting it apart from its siblings in the lineup. With Android 15 as its foundation and Samsung's commitment to long-term software support, the S25 Ultra could be a top choice for flagship smartphone consumers. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to debut in early 2025, likely maintaining Samsung's recent trend of January launches. However, Pricing could see an increase due to the anticipated inclusion of the brand new Snapdragon chip along with all the upgrades. Given that the S24 Ultra started at $1,299, the S25 Ultra might push even higher, probably costing around $1,500. In conclusion, the upcoming S25 Ultra appears to be geared to push smartphone technology to new heights. With improvements across design, display, camera capabilities, and AI features, it aims to maintain Samsung's position at the forefront of innovation. While the anticipated upgrades may come with a higher price tag, the device could offer an unmatched mobile experience for the users. Nevertheless, we should wait for an official announcement from Samsung for accurate details about this most anticipated smartphone. Thanks for watching. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your expectations from it in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.